Want to add a large number of people to your Minga all at once? It's easy, I'll show you how. Adding people by list is fast and gives you complete control over who receives your invitations. Start by putting your list together. Create an Excel or CSV file that contains the following headers. First name, last name, email, and role are the important ones. Your file should look something like this. With your file ready, navigate over to People. It's on the right. There, select Upload List. Now drag the list you just created into the box. With your list uploaded, you'll need to select a default role for your members. You can also decide whether to send your invitation via email or text message. If for any reason some of the rows in your list contain an error, don't worry. You can download a list of those errors, fix them, and re-upload them later. Once you're ready to go, click the Add People button. And that's it. You've now added a list of people to your Minga.